Hello YouTubers, right now we're at the offices of Ugoos and we're running an Antutu benchmark test on the Ugoos UT8pro. So here the unit is, dual antennas, and we'll just show you the ports. At the bottom here it says UT8P, and that's P for Pro. Now they also have a UT8, which is basically the same, but it has a lower memory capacity. So you can check out the specs in the link in the description below. We'll also show you some of what the UT8pro comes with. So it has this nice Bluetooth remote, and you can see the instructions here. A wall charger. So if you're in the US or if you need a flat pin plug style, we will supply you with that. If you're in the UK, then it also is available in the UK power plug style. HDMI cable and a nice user manual. Okay, so in this review we'll just show you the benchmark test scores and show you some of the device. Okay, so let's show you some settings. So we have ADA 64. We've already run this, and we'll just show you some of the results for that. Make sure to like and subscribe as we will be uploading more videos for the UT8 and the UT8pro. And about. Okay. And let's go into settings. So I'll just quickly show you about the device. Now this is actually the UT8pro, but it is under the UT8 series. And you can see the firmware was last updated on the 7th of December. Language, so this supports all sorts of languages. Display and sound. Panels and interface. So this before was under a different setting in Ugoos, so this is a new feature that they're adding. Power, storage. So this is a 64 gigabyte version, and the UT8 without the Pro is 32 gigabytes. So that's the main difference between the two units. Super user. This is a cool feature which allows you to reboot or the root access. Additional settings. Okay, Android 11. So quite a few things inside of this Ugoos interface. You can tell that they have like a whole development team of programmers who make sure that this user interface is really easy to use. And let's go back and check out the Antutu. We can actually go and do some web browsing. Okay, so here are some of the UT8pro specs. So we'll leave a link to the product description inside of our YouTube video description. Let's go back to see if Antutu is ready. So this is actually the second time that we ran the test. The last time it was like the older Antutu version, and I think we got a score of 15,400. So we'll see with this latest Antutu version if we get a higher score or not. Now the UT8pro is currently, as of December, it is still pre-order, but Ugoos should probably have, units ready for production, for release and shipping around January. So make sure to place your orders now, as supply will be very limited. Ugoos has been selling out of all of their TV boxes. There's a chip supply, or sorry, a chip shortage. So, okay, that's odd. I didn't do that last time. So that's okay. We'll just upload the Antutu benchmark review as a separate video, I think. Oh, this is a 3D bench. So let's see. Okay, yeah, you can, let's see. You can check out our, we'll just upload a different review of the Antutu. Nice. Okay guys, we'll be right back with the results of this Antutu benchmark test. Thanks for watching.